wheel off. Goddamn, just did a whole rear by my goddamn self. Now we gotta go fucking boat searching. Why didn't you go to fucking Tractor Supply?
I'm not going over to the fucking Tractor Supply.
It's right next to Ace. What the fuck do you mean?
I'm not going to Tractor
So you
Supply.
fucking, you went over there for no reason.
I don't care if I went over there for fucking no reason. You should have gone.
All right, guys, so take a quick break from the video. I need you to understand something that's going on here with this one. It's not a bad thing. It's just the first time I've seen something on one of these new trucks, and I'm a little confused at why it's like this, but I'm going to tell you. So this truck that I have in front of me right now that I'm about to show you, this is a 2024 GMC Denali Ultimate. This is a truck that's it's not getting a big lift kit or anything like that. The truck is just here getting like a bed cover and some stuff. So perfect truck to show you on. But GM has what they call magnetic ride control on all the Denali trucks, right? Escalades get it, any Yukon Denali, any Sierra Denali. Minus the 2500s, you're always gonna see this sensor inside the suspension, right? Up here under the upper control arm, you will see a height sensor right here. This tells the truck how high or how low that the suspension is setting in whatever situation you're in. And the shocks are electronic. So there's actually plugs down on the bottom, if you can see it right there. Right there. That's the magnetic ride control electric plug. The truck that we're lifting today, the Denali outside actually, it's a High Country, not a Denali. But High Countries have magnetic ride control too. Ever since 2021, all of them have had it. The truck outside does not have it, or in the shop right now, so I'm going to show you that real fast. So on that High Country, I just showed you that clip of, it's loud inside the shop, so I didn't record this clip in there, but the truck doesn't have the mag ride. So McGaughy's sells this lift kit for a truck with magnetic ride control or for a truck that does not have magnetic ride control. The magnetic ride control adapters utilize the factory strut. So what it does is it bolts to the side of the strut and it extends it, and you use the GM strut to lift the truck with. In this case, we're going to get to use the McGaughy struts because it didn't have any magnetic ride control. Save the guys $600 or $700 and everything will work out best like that anyways. All right, so here's our finished product. This is the 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 High Country. Something a little new today about this one is we typically don't do a lot of the Mickey Thompson tires here, but they do have a tire that's a 37 1450/24. It does look pretty amazing on a 24x14. This wheel is called the Cali Off-Road Purge. We did do the McGaughy's upper control arms with the billet aluminum ball joint caps. There's your McGaughy's 7 to 9 inch strut. This one is set at 9 inches, as you see right there. Along with the ever popular McGaughy's cross member. It's beautiful every time we do it. This is the black with the stainless steel. This is how the kit comes out of the box. So if you like this look, you don't have to buy any extra powder coat or anything like that. As usual, even at the highest setting, our axle angles are amazing. Stance on the truck is awesome. We did the trim job on this one. There is a plug that you can buy for this hole. We didn't put it in this truck, but we did have to cut some of the fender, and you can see some of the trim that they put over the cut, so there's no rust or sharp edges. On the front bumper, they reformed the bottom of the bumper, and they put some more sealer right there. It looks really nice. This truck came factory with the power steps because it is a high country Chevrolet. Like I said earlier in the video, it did not come with magnetic ride control. That's pretty amazing. It's the first time I've seen that. If you guys have any questions or you want to build a truck like this, shoot me a call, 678-994-9180. It's Southern Tire, McDonough, Georgia. Thanks for watching.